We felt we were a good side, and we felt we had a chance. Yeah, we felt we'd had a chance, and the Bayern thing obviously lifted the confidence a fair bit. But we fully deserved to win the game. We were better than them on the night, regardless of the conditions. We were better.
Just incredible, wasn't it?
Incredible.
Have you kept anything? Did you keep your jersey from that? Have you kept
Yeah,
souvenirs?
Yeah, I got the medal and I got the jersey. Yeah, I might have a programme somewhere as well. But,
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 11 Scotsmen or 12 Scotsmen or 13, how many got on the pitch. It's beyond belief, really, that was achieved, and I don't care what anybody says. It's an incredible achievement.
It's like all the Scottish clubs that have won European trophies. It's a band of brothers, isn't it? It's when you think about it, where you came from and how close you were and still are.
Yeah.
That will never be taken away from you. It's there. It's
there, and it's in our Aberdeen history now. So it's and it'll be there forever. And it's